Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Thaiz Fernandez and today I'm here with another special guest. I'm just bringing special guests on my channels like left and right. I'm here with my best friend Daisy.
Duh!
And I'll leave all her social media links down below. Of course, you guys can go follow her. But today we are reviewing the big, the special, the mini, the big, the special, the mini.
Yeah, what is this called? It's okay, so the brand is called House Dream.
Yeah.
They have a collection. On the box it shows like that there's like a whole
like other like appliances. So basically like the box is like mini appliances. So I'm guessing they have like multiple of these. But we are trying out this mini little lavadora and seeing if it washes all of our beauty blenders right now. We have some already wet and some like that are like really dirty and filthy, and we're gonna go in with this like soap. So we're gonna fill it with water, we're gonna put some soap in here, and we're gonna see and test it out and see if it actually works. Is there like a certain line? Oh well.
It's kind of like open. Oh.
Here. And we're just gonna,
It smells kind of weird.
I don't know how much we're supposed to put in there, but
What if we put too much in the water? Like, sorry, Mom.
I have no idea.
Yeah, so this one's super dirty. Like if
So
you
as you guys
squeeze
can
it,
see,
yeah, it's like
Pretty dirty. I'm so scared.
I don't know if it's gonna fit.
It's not. Oh, it's overflowing. This one's a little chunky. Maybe we should like.
Maybe we just put it down and
No, mine's just gonna overflow.
it's not even going.
What? This is a scam. What's going on? Wait, are you supposed to do it like open? No, right?
I don't know. I don't think it does anything.
Okay, I'm gonna try the mini beauty blender. I'm just gonna put it in there and close it. Something's happening.
It's
You
so
guys can
cool.
see that. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that. Well, okay, mind you guys, this was like $6.
Yeah, we paid like $6.
$6 for
It's
this
not,
little.
and it's not advertised as like a beauty blender cleaner.
Yeah.
Or like that's what people are like using it for.
This is like a regular sized beauty blender, so I'm just like kind of confused. Like, what happens if I just put it like if I just put it like.
Yeah, like these aren't even. Oh wait, let's try this one. But this isn't even a big one. That's the thing. Like it's weird.
Like, I feel like it is cleaning it just because like this obviously like with the soap and stuff, but
I don't know.
I don't know. I'm kind of like, like they just don't fit in there though. Okay, so the beauty blenders were kind of like a disappointment because even like a regular size beauty blender, like it just
Didn't
not
work.
fit in there. So we're gonna try some brushes because I also saw with brushes now. So I'm gonna put in the water.
So
Maybe
I'm
I'm not
gonna just
gonna
take
put
like
so much
we're gonna use our handy dandy James Charles palette by Morphe, and we're just gonna like take a brush. Like there's already brown on here, but like you're not gonna really tell if it's clean or not. So we're gonna do like, should we do pink?
Yeah, let's do some pink in there.
So we're gonna do like pink, and we're just gonna see if that cleans it. Then we'll use this one, and we'll go in with, let's do red.
Yeah, do it right.
Dang, there's a lot of fallout on this palette. Alright,
So let's
put it on.
Yeah, let's put it on here.
So we have plates too, because it was
we
just making a
learned
mess.
we learned from last time that this kind of spills. So
Just a little bit.
just a little bit. So I'm gonna try with the pink, and look at the pink. Let's see what happens. So I'm just gonna. Honestly, if this really works, I'm gonna be so happy washing my brushes. Just like
No, I'm just be like, you don't gotta do nothing.
I'm just gonna.
Dude, I think it works.
Yeah, I think it works too. Oh my god.
Like, you can even just look. You can just leave it here. Okay, look.
It works. Nothing's coming. Oh my gosh.
Look, you can just put it here.
It's literally.
You can put like a couple brushes. Dude,
it's literally so good. The brush is like brand new. And like if you put it on here, like it's not even like nothing's coming out, like no color.
Yeah, it's literally just like it's like white, like brand new. So I'm gonna do like several colors. So maybe we'll do like yellow and then like some green.
Okay, let's try again.
Let's see.
I want you guys to like really see what's going on all up in here. I think they could see it from there, but it's spilling.
Oh look, it cleaned it. It just stained the brush a little bit, like the color. Oh no, it didn't. Look at that.
Oh, it's
look
done.
at how cute.
Yeah, it's like freaking
bruh, this is so cool.
clear.
Look at that.
Like this was blue, like literally so blue. All your brushes are washed now. They smell good.
Yeah. That is it's like a little pea.
It's like pee. It's like peeing.
That's so cool. Well, yeah.
Let's go to our thoughts.
would,
Let's
like-
see. Would we recommend it to you guys? Okay, if you have $6 in your bank account,
Then
and
go
that's,
for it. Like honestly, if you just want to like waste your money, then go for it.
if you have $6,
I don't regret it.
I don't regret it because these are honestly, it's gonna be fun to wash my makeup brushes now. Like
Yeah.
like these brushes, like now all of these
Let's
are
see
clean.
how long it lasts.
It took me like 0.5 seconds.
Oh, these are stickers.
I mean, you know that this is very gimmicky.
Oh my god, you know you can like go to a party and be like, I'm not gonna do that because it's actually gonna fall in my mouth.
Like these are very gimmicky. Like they're plastic. Like you know, like
Well, like
$6.
when you feel it, it feels really cheap.
Yeah, like you for $6, like you know you paid $6 for this. But honestly, guys, I think it's like kind of cute if you just want to get it like for the hype. But for your beauty blenders, no. But for your makeup brushes, yes, because you're just sitting there watching your Netflix. You don't even have to like do a lot of.
I just want to speak to whoever said that they can wash their beauty blenders.
Yeah, because like whoever.
Did you get an extra large one?
Yeah, literally, or like.
They must have like gotten a bigger one or something. Like,
Ours literally is no. But honestly, guys, I think this is Thaiz approved. What do you think? Is it Daisy approved?
This is definitely Jeffree Star approved.
Jeffree Star, hello.
Yeah, I would buy it again.
I would buy it
I kind
again,
of want to
too.
get the other ones. Like, there's a fan.
Yeah, there's like
I kind of want to use the fan to see like if it fans off my makeup.
Yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video slash review slash I have no idea what to call this video yet. But if you guys enjoyed having Daisy on my channel, she will be on my channel.
I've been on your channel.
That's true.
I've been in vlogs. I've never been in a sit-down video, but I filmed the videos.
Yeah, exactly. She's
Some of
filmed my
them.
lookbooks, however, those
Yeah.
beautiful shots that she's done for my lookbooks. It's all
Disgust me.
It's on her. But yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I
And like
post
me and my
every-
beautiful family always say.
Hey, family. No, but make sure to hit that little. My earring fell and it broke. Make sure to hit that little notification bell to get notified every time I upload. Daisy soon will have a YouTube channel. Let me know if you guys want her
So
to.
maybe it'll be my first video will be up by the time this video goes up. If so, link will be in the description. So go subscribe to me.
Exactly. Go subscribe to her. And yeah, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.